YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So I am coming to you all. I'm supposed to be recording for a couple of weeks. If you hear some change, that's Malachi. I told you when the camera come on, he get real movie. So anyway, I was supposed to be recording some videos for you all, but I've been sick, so none of the videos I have been recording or posting like that. But anyways, I have so many clothes, so many hauls that's gonna come up. I have so many shoes that I purchased. I purchased new luggage. I'm gonna do a luggage review. I'm just gonna do a bunch of things for you because it's my birthday in a couple of days, and next week I'm going out of town. We're going to Florida, and I'm so excited. So anyways, but I'm back. I'm feeling a lot better. So I had some upper respiratory things going on. I had strep also, and I was hoarse for almost a whole week, and my voice is still it's still gone, but I can hear myself and I can understand myself, so I know you can too. So anyways, I'm going to show you all my luggage that I have purchased, and I really like it. It's really cute. It's some cute luggage, but because my luggage is so small, I purchased this backpack to go with it, and the backpack is pink and gray. But the reason why I got pink and gray, I don't like pink at all, but lately I've been noticing that I've been going, a lot of the gray things that's cute, like the marble stuff, has been having like that kind of coral type pink, salmon pink or whatever inside different things. Like my luggage that I purchased, it has the pink things in it. It has pink on the zipper, and it has pink on the inside, so it's like that salmon color. So hopefully this can focus on it. So but anyways, I really like it. So this backpack is gonna hold like the little things that I need up front that I don't need in my luggage. Like I'm gonna put my purse inside here. I'm gonna put like probably a little blanket, a little thin blanket in case I get cold while we traveling. I'm going to have a little snacks in here. Gonna have my my iPad, my laptop. I carry a lot of stuff with me, camera stuff, camera equipment. And I have never vlogged, so I'm gonna try to vlog while I'm on vacation. I'm gonna try to vlog actually this week because, like I said, it's my birthday. I'm supposed to be doing a couple of things, I think. Not sure. A few people mad at me, but I don't know. So the luggage that I purchased is a luggage by Cosmopolitan, and this luggage is the 360 luggage. It's really lightweight. It's supposed to be carry-on approved, and I got it from a store called stage.com. They said it was on sale for $40, but I noticed that every time. And it came in this small box. So I'm going to unbox this and show you all what the luggage looks like. So here we go. So this is the luggage. This, like I said, it came in this small box. My address is on this side, so I'm not going to turn it around. And it's just a 21-inch luggage. So here it goes. It's really pretty. I'm gonna move the box over here. And this luggage is gray marble. The luggage is gray and it's marble. The reviews was not that well, but the first thing that I noticed is you can put a little lock on the zipper, but my luggage always stay with me when I go out of town. So I'm going to open this luggage up and show you the inside of it. And it's pink. It's not really a deep pink like they said it was going to be, but I will show you, bring you closer. So this is the luggage opened up, and it has two sides, so you put things on both sides, which I like that. One side is a snap and one side is the zipper. So this is kind of cute. This is cute. I guess it's to each their own. The luggage that I'm showing you does not look like it's the type of luggage where you can carry a lot of stuff. It looks like it'll break. So I have a lot of stuff. So I'll probably use my backpack as some stuff to carry some stuff as well. But I have a lot of clothes. We're only going for 3 days, so I don't know why I have a lot of stuff, but I know when I'm hot I like to re-shower or whatever. So hopefully this luggage will be able to to hold. I think I have like 7 pair of shoes and about like, I don't know, I got a lot of clothes, so I'm gonna do a clothing haul. And hopefully the luggage can hold all the things that I needed to hold, and also a travel bag, because you know you have to have toiletries and stuff like that. So anyway, so I'm going to let you all know if this luggage hold up in future vlogs or future chit chats. But anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. I think the luggage look a little classy, and you know, a little classy and chic. Tell me your comments and your opinions down in the comments.